Everyone dreams to build wealth at low cost in record time. Foundation is the base and the mobile price drivers is the secret for that. I mean this. Hi, I'm Steve Jamonsi, Sales Sports Manager in STROIMATIC company, providing special engineering equipment. We've been working since 2005 according to the international standard quality. More than 100 companies are using our equipment in Russia, in America, in Europe, in Asia, and in Africa. What's the purpose of this equipment? Let's bring more detail in the next video.